Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger missing chat history. Now, the first thing you should do is to make sure that you have the latest update of Messenger on your phone. And once you update it, you should now go to Messenger. Then you'll have to click on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Then go to settings. And once you go to settings, you should now scroll down till you find privacy and safety. Just tap on it. And here, as you can see, you have here this option in the security end-to-end encrypted chats. Just tap on it, then click on message storage. And now you will have to click on turn on secure storage, then enter your PIN. But now let's say that you cannot actually remember your PIN. You can simply go back, then click on delete secure storage, then click on continue. And now it has been deleted. And when you go back, the problem will be solved. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.